Hi, in the last session, we saw how to find out the export market size for a particular product. In this session, we are going to see how to list the importing countries for your product. For this, we are going to use two websites. First one is trademap.org and the second one is Export Potential Map. Let's go over to Trademap. Here we are in the Trademap website. We are going to find the importing countries. So I have chosen imports, product, and I have left the country blank. The reason being I am going to find the importing countries in the world. So the data shown are my product, desiccated coconut in this case, all as a world and all as partner, criteria imports, trade indicators by country. If we scroll down, the table will show the top importers of desiccated coconut. United States of America, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Brazil, and the list goes on. We can also find out importing countries that are importing desiccated coconut from India. For that, in the World tab, we have to choose India. So, product desiccated coconut, country India, partner all. Here I have chosen exports because India is the exporting country and we want to know which are the countries importing desiccated coconut from India. So, this shows India exports represent 3% of world exports for this product, that is desiccated coconut, and it ranks in the 9th place. So, there are 8 top exporters, they are exporting desiccated coconut already. So, the table shows the list of countries that are currently importing desiccated coconut from India. They are United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Egypt, Spain, Kuwait, Brazil, and the list goes on. Interestingly, these countries are not top importers of desiccated coconut. If you come up with any problem that the table is not showing up the data, and in case sometimes it might show up as not available, please try opening it in a different browser or try to clear the cache in your browser and open it again. So, by this we know which are the countries importing from India. So, you have to do the same for your product. That will give you the top importers of your product from India. So, the trade map showed the data from 2016 or till 2016. We are going to use another website called exportpotential.intrasend.org. This is a website from International Trade Center as well. This forecasts the future exports. So, this will also help you while considering the most potential market for your product. This shows the export potential for products, markets and exporter. Here we are going to choose exporters. So, here for product I am going to choose desiccated coconut, that is 080111. First, let us see the desiccated coconuts potential in the world scenario. So, here the market is in world. So, this shows the list of exporters of desiccated coconut. If we scroll over these countries, let's scroll over India. Here it shows export potential, some value, actual exports as some value, untapped potential remaining in individual countries. So, actually India is exporting $8.7 million worth of desiccated coconut so far. But export potential map is showing that we have $26.6 million worth of desiccated coconut can be exported from India. But India is in the fifth place. Here we have Philippines, Indonesia, Sri Lanka and Vietnam stays ahead of India. If we scroll down, here it shows the key findings. So, in the key findings, because we have chosen world as the criteria market, here it will show the leading exporters. So, that is why it shows Indonesia shows the largest absolute difference between potential and actual exports in value terms. We want to find out which are the countries India can export the particular product. For this, click on the market tab. This will show export potential for exporters. Here I have chosen India and the product is desiccated coconut. Here if we come down, the key findings. Markets with greatest potential for India's exports of desiccated coconut are United States of America, Egypt and Iran. United States of America shows the largest absolute difference between potential and actual exports in value terms. This is no surprise because actually USA is the top importer of desiccated coconut, but when we check the importer of desiccated coconut from India, USA was not shown in the top list. And we are already exporting to Iran, but it also has good potential for further exports of the same product. So, if we scroll over the particular country, here it will show how much we are already exporting and how much we can export further. So, this shows when we scroll over Netherlands, India is already exporting $26.2 thousand of US dollars of worth of desiccated coconut, but we can export $1.5 million worth of desiccated coconut to Netherlands. So, this gives you an idea which market can be focused. So, we will know our product can penetrate into particular market. Why do we do this exercise? Why should we list both importing countries and export potential markets? The reason being, exporters already in market, they might be concentrating or have absolute dominance over a particular market. As a new exporter, you should be able to penetrate into the importing market, but you should also be able to avoid the competition. For that, it is important that you identify a new market or the market which still has a scope for your product. So, once you do the export potential exercise, you will know what are the markets you can concentrate, so that you can avoid the competition and you can grow consistently in the particular market. So, we will do the market prioritization among these list of countries. The next exercise will be how we can concentrate on or choose the market which can be more suitable for you to attempt. Thank you. Please post your questions on WhatsApp group or FB or LinkedIn.